Hello traders, today we will be reviewing another past evaluation. So this is Bronislav's account. He is from the Czech Republic, and as you can see, this is the first phase of his 10k evaluation, which he passed with flying colors, awesome win ratio, 71%, quite a lot of trades taken, so this should be interesting, maybe something close to scalping again right here. So 134 trades taken. Profit factor, nothing really wrong with this. The only thing that stands out here is the actual amount, because compared to a 10k account, these amounts are quite high, but nonetheless we will take a deeper look into that in the next minutes. Some swings here, quite a big dip by the end of the trading session, as you can see here in the performance chart, but nonetheless after that our trader managed a nice ascending channel right here and passed the challenge. Okay, now let's see what this trader is usually opening positions on, and we have Swiss franc, Japanese yen, dollar, Swiss franc, so maybe a Swiss franc specialist. Some indices right here, so we will add varied up there. We also have oil. Okay, this should be interesting given the volume of the trades. Let's see his most profitable trades first, and this one stands out. So $400, 4% of the account only by trading 1 hour of USD Swiss franc. Now let's see if we can get any glimpse into this trader's strategy. Okay, this entry right here points to smart money concepts right away. We had a dump here and then the market reacted. We have a mini change of character right here on the 1 minute time frame, then a retap into this mini imbalance zone, and then our trader probably saw the same thing, and yeah, the stop loss placement screams SMC as well. Nonetheless, this position was closed manually. Probably our trader had time to study this position. As you can see, we have a stop loss, but we do not have a take profit. But the closing is also spot on as well. If maybe a recommendation would have been our trader to place his stop loss below this mini point of interest here, maybe he could have scored additional profits. Nonetheless, 4% on this trade is an awesome win. Let's check the most loss making, because this digit is quite high, and yes, $461, so the max loss exceeds the max win. Nonetheless, things like this can happen. This one is on dollar Japanese yen, and it's a long. Okay, oh, this looks bad. First of all, we can initially have an idea of our trader's risk mentality. I'm not sure if this stop loss was tampered with or if this take profit was put a bit lower, because now we have a sub 1 risk to reward ratio, so we have a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, or 0.5 R. Not really sure if this is his style or if he tampered with some things right here, but nonetheless we have a long. And this candle here is probably the US market commencement or some news associated with the US market commencement. And as you can see, this is probably the most painful thing you will see this week. So close to tapping his stop loss first of all, then shot a bit up. And then we had this candle which pierced through all the stop losses that were lying under this mini swing down, including our trader's stop loss, and took all that liquidity and shoved the price all the way up. Nothing pretty much to say about this, but it highlights once more, if needed, the importance of managing your trades a bit more conservatively during news times or during market opening sessions, especially liquid ones like the US market session. This looks overall awesome. We have take profit and stop loss usage, so I will add that up there. So given this, let's move to phase 2. The second phase of this account looks nothing short of impressive. Huge profit factor, impeccable win ratio, 81% over 80 trades, which is a feat not really a lot of traders are able to achieve. Total loss, nothing special here, so we won't be reviewing any losing trades, unfortunately. Let's see if something changed in terms of pairs traded. Maybe he specialized in something, but no. The only thing that has a higher occurrence here is the Swiss franc, but nothing related to that. His most profitable position during phase 2 is this win on dollar yen, and it's a win that amounts to $151, or in percentages 1.5% out of 5%, not that bad. Again, we have take profits, stop losses, love to see that. And let's see this buy here. Yeah, unfortunately our trader moved his stop loss to break even afterwards. This looks a bit more like a breakout trade. I'm not sure how the higher time frame looks here. We have a deep tap here, and then we have a mini demand chain forming, culminating with this peak, this little liquidity sweep here. I'm not sure if you guys can see this right over here, and then price shot all the way to the upside, took the take profit, and yeah, it was quite a nicely placed take profit right here, because maybe this was another point of interest that our trader was aware of, and then the market went completing the cycle all the way to the downside. Okay, moving on to the most loss making. As I previously said, yeah, nothing really much happened here. I'm pretty sure that these are break-even trades. This should be interesting. Not really sure. Yeah, oh, okay, so this was a low volume trade. Disregard this. Let's check this one. High volume trade, and yes, my assumption was correct. As we saw in our previous trades, our trader has the tendency to move the stop loss to break even after the trade is a bit in profit. As you can probably see from this trade right here, the market broke the most recent structure, which is this swing high right here. Our trader immediately dragged the stop loss at the beginning of his position, and unfortunately it was taken out, but nonetheless it was a good call, because this trade was losing one, would have been a losing one. So yeah guys, keep that in mind. It may be frustrating at times moving your stop loss at break even and then market just tapping it and shooting up with momentum or shooting down with momentum, depending on where your take profit is, but more than enough times this behavior can save you from some losing trades that you can allocate further into your account. I'm not sure if that was quite clear for you guys. So yeah, stop loss placement at the break even is good. It's an okay tool to have in your trading arsenal, especially in a funded evaluation, because you probably know those 5%, 10% are quite easily gainable, especially if you're going to the downside. So keep that in mind. And without further ado, you have your trader's profile up there. I forgot to mention no overnight trading for this trader. And until the next episode, see you on EverTrader, and I hope your account will be reviewed by me as well. Bye bye.